Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are starting a new playlist and I will show you how to use a centralized exchange launchpad in this series. We will begin with Mexc as the first video of this series, and if you don't have a Mexc account yet, you can sign up with the link below. Also, you can watch our Mexc tutorial to learn how to use this platform. If you like to keep up with these videos, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and join our Telegram community. Now, let's get started. A crypto launchpad, sometimes called a crypto incubator, is a decentralized or centralized-based platform where crypto projects are introduced and can obtain funding. Before being publicly listed, early-stage crypto token sales are made available to the project's crypto investors. We already have a few decentralized versions of launchpad videos, but today we will focus on centralized launchpads. The primary benefit of crypto launchpads is early access to token or NFT sales, also known as pre-sales. Launchpads are essential for projects and early investors because projects can raise funds by releasing a specific coin or NFT in centralized or decentralized platforms. Investors see this as a great chance to profit from a future price increase by buying tokens at low prices and selling them at a profit later on. Because the cost of launching is so minimal, launchpad platforms can also draw in more crypto projects for funding. Each crypto launchpad, either centralized or decentralized, has some requirements for participants, such as staking that platform's native token for a specific time. We already have many videos about centralized and decentralized exchanges where you can learn how to provide liquidity and stake tokens in different farms and pools. Most of these launchpads operate on the weight system. The weights of a liquidity pool refer to the percentage exposure of each token in that pool. The easiest implementation of a liquidity pool is thinking of only two investors providing liquidity. Such a pool balances the prices of tokens in its reserves, so each reserve always makes up 50% of the pool's total value. In this scenario, only two people provide liquidity and share the pool's weight, so the allocation of any launchpad project would divide between these two individuals. Of course, the more people provide liquidity, the less pool weight you will have. Hence, you will get less token allocation from any launchpad project. Now, let's start with how to participate in launchpads in the Mexc exchange. Almost every launchpad requires native tokens as a participation requirement. For that reason, first we must buy Mexc tokens. Select the spot, choose the parity to pay, and then type Mexc into the search box. Mexc is a member of the Ethereum blockchain and is currently at $1.89. You would need a minimum of 1001 Mexc tokens to participate in launchpad events. After purchasing the Mexc tokens, select the launchpad from the activity option. There are currently 3 projects to launch and you can check your earnings through the reward history. Now would be a little late to join these events, but there will always be new ones. Here, for example, let's look at the Lo-Fi project. This page is where you can read the project info, event requirements, participation deadline, and the total number of allocations and participants and committed Mexc tokens. For this project, the commitment requirement period will start on the 31st at 2 AM and after 12 hours, every verified user on the Mexc exchange will be able to buy or sell Lo-Fi tokens on spot trade. Through the commitment period, you must stake your Mexc tokens here. However, don't forget the requirements. For example, it says you must hold Mexc tokens in your spot wallet for 15 days to be eligible for this airdrop, only if your Mexc holding reaches 1000 or above. Each day the platform will take snapshots to calculate how much weight you have provided during that specific event. If you remember, I said you would need a minimum of 1001 Mexc tokens. Assuming that you have only 1001 Mexc tokens, after 15 days, you would provide 1001 Mexc tokens as a minimum pool weight. But if you hold less than 1001 or sell some of your Mexc tokens, you cannot participate in these launchpad events. So 15 days and 1001 Mexc tokens are musts. Airdrops are one of the many ways to earn money from cryptocurrencies. And in this series, we will check every launchpad in centralized exchanges to see their differences and benefits. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.